The light controls for your Ford F-150 are primarily located on the stalk to the left of the steering wheel. Rotate the stalk to control headlights. Turn it to off, parking lights, low beams, or high beams. Pull the stalk towards you for flash to pass to temporarily illuminate ahead. The turn signal lever is integrated into the same stalk. Push the lever up for left turn signals or down for right turn signals. For emergencies, use the hazard light button located on the center console. Press the hazard light button to activate all turn signals, flashing simultaneously for emergencies. Fog lights, if equipped, are activated via a dedicated button on the dashboard. Use the fog lights button on the dashboard to turn them on or off when driving in fog or low visibility conditions. Become familiar with these controls to ensure safe and efficient operation of your Ford F-150's lighting system. For optimal safety with your Ford F-150's light controls, always turn on headlights at dusk or in low visibility conditions. Avoid using high beams in traffic to prevent glare for other drivers. Use fog lights only when visibility is truly low. Regular maintenance is crucial. Clean lenses regularly to prevent dimming and maintain visibility. Promptly replace any failed bulbs to ensure all lights function properly. Keep an eye out for warning messages on the instrument cluster, such as check headlight system. Be aware of recalls, like the DRL issues in some 2015-2018 models under NHTSA campaign number 23V-123. Annual inspections are recommended to maintain compliance with safety standards.